Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize cross-channel marketing with Iterable easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To optimize cross-channel marketing with Iterable, start by logging into your Iterable account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Click on the Campaigns tab to view your existing campaigns. Select a campaign that you want to optimize, or create a new one. Review the current channel settings for that campaign. Identify the channels you're currently using, such as email, push notifications, SMS, and social media. Consider the target audience for each channel. Adjust your audience segments to ensure they align with your marketing goals. Next, look at your messaging strategy. Ensure that your content is tailored to resonate with each specific channel. Utilize Iterable's templates to maintain brand consistency across channels. Implement personalization features for better engagement. Incorporate dynamic content to cater to diverse audience preferences. Now, focus on your scheduling strategy. Evaluate the best times to reach your audience on each channel. Utilize Iterable's scheduling tools to set optimal send times. Monitor performance metrics to identify which channels are performing best. Analyze open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates for insights. Adjust your budget allocation based on campaign performance. Reallocate resources to the channels that yield the highest ROI. Leverage A/B testing to refine your approach further. Test different subject lines, messaging, and CTA placements. Iterate based on test results for continuous improvement. Finally, set up automated workflows to enhance efficiency. Create triggers based on user behavior for timely engagement. Review your workflows regularly for effectiveness. Celebrate your successes and learn from your challenges. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your cross-channel marketing strategy using Iterable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.